everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Istiana and today we're going to be doing a DIY hair mask using this very special beauty cult favorite ingredient, Bentonite clay powder. Bentonite clay powder is a mineral dense rich clay that will cleanse, strengthen, and define your curls in just one easy step. So I'm going to take you through how to use the product, the benefits of bentonite clay, why it's so amazing, how to use it in a DIY hair mask, so let's just get started. So first, what is bentonite clay? Bentonite clay is a natural clay that is formed from volcanic ash. It's actually been used to purge impurities from the hair, skin, and body for hundreds of years. When you activate it with water or apple cider vinegar, the clay produces an ionic charge that attracts and removes toxins from your hair, skin, and body. So there's so many benefits from using bentonite clay on your hair. One, it draws out impurities from your hair and scalp. Essentially, the clay acts almost like a vacuum to your hair follicles. It also can promote hair growth. Since it's filled with minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium that are essential for hair growth, using a hair mask with bentonite clay will fortify your hair with these essential minerals and prevent breakage. The clay can also help enhance shine. So if you use a lot of dry shampoo or thick products in your hair routine, it can create almost like a film on your strands that gives your hair a gray tone. So if you don't cleanse that buildup from your hair on all the products, it can hinder your hair's natural ability to shine. And lastly, bentonite clay can help define curls. So if you have natural curly hair and you find that they often clump together, use the hair clay before you wash your hair to help define them. You'll be amazed by how bouncy your curls look. Okay, so now that we know why bentonite clay is so good for your hair, let's make a bentonite clay hair mask and I'll show you how to use it. So you're going to need a non-metal bowl. This is really important because using metal can actually activate the clay before it reaches your hair. Then we're going to use half a cup of bentonite clay powder. Remember, you can find this stuff at any local health food store, Amazon, online, anywhere. It's pretty easy to source this stuff. Then you're going to need a few tablespoons of water, 6 tablespoons of unfiltered apple cider vinegar, which you can find at any grocery store, and 3 tablespoons of your favorite hair oil. So some examples could be coconut oil, castor oil, argan oil. Now to make the mask with these ingredients, we're going to add the half cup of bentonite clay powder into that non-metal bowl. Then we're going to dilute the apple cider vinegar with water. So 3 parts water to 1 part apple cider vinegar. This step is super important because the apple cider vinegar is very acidic and can irritate your scalp if not diluted. But apple cider vinegar has tons of amazing hair benefits, and you can actually watch a full video that we have on here on how it helps your hair, improves shininess, and increases moisture retention. So next, combine the bentonite clay and diluted apple cider vinegar into the bowl and mix until you get a yogurt-like consistency. The last step is to add your favorite hair oils for extra hair benefits. So again, some of our favorites are coconut oil to hydrate hair and lock in moisture. You could also use grapeseed oil to stimulate hair growth and soften brittle hair. So find a hair oil that you like best and works best for your hair type, or just whatever you have on hand at home. Okay, so now that our mask is ready, we're going to head into the bathroom, and you want to make sure that your hair is damp or you have wet hair first. So what I like to do is get in the shower and wet my hair, and then apply the mask, and then afterwards we're going to wash it all out. So once your hair is fully coated in the mask, you can either clip it up with some clips, or you can cover it with a plastic cap or a heat cap for extra penetration. So I just use my Luxy Hair clips to clip it up. And while I wait for my hair to soak up all the benefits of this mask, I'm just going to shave, wash my face, do the other stuff in the shower. Once time's up, now you can shampoo and condition your hair as you normally would. We want to make sure that all of the hair clay is fully washed out and removed from our hair before moving on to the next step, which is a bonus step. So after using a cleansing hair mask like this, I always like to follow up with a deep conditioner as a bonus way to give my strands a boost of hydration, but this is obviously optional. Now when it comes to how often you should use a bentonite hair clay mask, I recommend once a week or whenever you feel like your hair and scalp just need a deep cleanse. So whenever you feel like you have a lot of hair product buildup or dandruff and you just want a really nice clean feeling head, then you want to use this. But it's safe to say that I'm absolutely obsessed with this simple but super effective hair clay that cleanses my scalp, strengthens your hair, And I love how it's a DIY affordable treatment that you can just make at home. Okay, that's it for today's video. I would love to know in the comments below if you've tried bentonite clay or if you are going to. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Luxy Hair channel. We'll see you guys next one. Bye!